In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders for other people in Slack. We'll keep this simple and clear, so you can get a reliable reminder out in just a couple of minutes using Slack's built-in tools. Start by opening Slack on your desktop. Look toward the bottom left corner of your workspace and click the plus icon. This is the quick path to creating simple automations without any coding. From the menu that appears, select Workflow. That opens Slack's workflow tool, which is perfect for scheduling a message that will be sent automatically to a specific person. Now, begin with the trigger. The trigger controls when your reminder goes out. Think of it as the schedule. Choose the timing that makes sense for your situation, whether it's a specific date and time or a moment that lines up with your teammate's workday. Be thoughtful about time zones if your team is distributed, and plan a buffer if you know the person might be in meetings around that time. The goal is to make sure the reminder lands when it's most helpful, not disruptive. Next, specify exactly when you want this reminder to be sent. Be precise here. If there's a deadline, schedule the reminder a little ahead of it so the recipient has time to act. If the reminder is tied to a recurring task, consider a cadence that supports the work rhythm, like earlier in the day rather than at the end. Now for the action, select Message. Then choose the option to send a message to a person. Compose your reminder so it's clear and actionable. Lead with the key task, include the relevant date or deliverable, and keep it concise. If a document, task link, or channel discussion will help, include that so the person can jump straight into what's needed. Finally, select the person you want to receive the reminder. Double-check you've chosen the correct teammate to avoid pinging the wrong person. And there you go. With the trigger set and the message action configured, your reminder is ready to go, and Slack will deliver it automatically at the time you chose. Before you move on, give everything a quick review. Confirm the timing, make sure the recipient is correct, and scan the message for clarity. A helpful reminder is specific, polite, and easy to act on. That's all. You've just set up a targeted reminder for someone else in Slack using a workflow, ensuring the right message reaches the right person at the right time.